Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and I'm super excited because summer is in full swing. And to me, summer means going to the beach, having picnics, barbecues, camping, basically just enjoying the outdoors. And I'm gonna show you this really simple salad. It's got basically 4 ingredients in it, and there's no mayo or anything that's gonna go bad outside, so it's a great recipe to take to a cookout, to the beach, camping, whatever. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is talk about the ingredients. I've got these really cute little baby potatoes. I've got white and red. I've got some cherry tomatoes, all different colors. I've also got some beautiful green beans, and I have some lemon juice, about a half a cup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to boil my beans for a little bit, steam my potatoes, and get those ready, and then we're going to put it all together. Okay, the green beans are done. We're going to drain them, and then we're going to put them in a bowl and put the lemon juice over them. The secret is to put the lemon juice on the green beans while they're good and hot, because then they're going to suck up all the lemon juice and they're going to have all that lemony flavor. If you wait till they cool down, they're not going to absorb as much of the lemon flavor. So let's drain these and get these in the bowl. Add that lemon juice. Woo! Get these all stirred around. It does make a big difference, so that's really important to know. So we're just waiting for the potatoes to finish cooking. Then we're going to cut those in half and add them to the lemon juice and the beans. So we will do that in just a couple minutes. The potatoes are all done. I'm just have let them cool off a little bit just so you can handle them. And then we're cutting them in half, adding the tomatoes and some spices, and then we're going to be ready to eat. So let's start cutting up the potatoes just in half. And we're going to put them in with green beans. And again, the same principle, you want these to be warm when you do this so they can suck up that lemon juice. But of course, let them cool down so you can touch them. Then you want to very gently mix this together. You don't want to mush the potatoes. So just kind of get them all coated with the lemon juice. Let's add our tomatoes. This can be so pretty. So again, do a little gentle stir. Okay, as far as spices, we're going to use a little pepper, a little bit of salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground rosemary, just to kind of give it a little oomph. Stir that up. Okay, I think we've got everybody into the pool here. Now this is good warm or cold, just as good. So, you know, if you want to put it in the refrigerator and then you could take it to the beach the next day, or if you wanted to make a bunch of this and take it camping with you, it'd be great. All right, let's put this in a nice bowl. And I pour maybe just a little bit of the lemon juice mixture here over the top. I'm gonna hit it with a little flat leaf parsley. Beautiful. All right, let's go in for a taste. This salad is so good. Let's try a green bean. So good. It's so light and refreshing and lemony. Let's try a potato. Cooked perfect. Perfect. And the tomato. It is such a great combo with the green beans, the potatoes, and the cherry tomatoes and that lemon. It's perfect summer salad. So definitely give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and share it with your friends as well. Until next time, thank you.